this video, I will show you how site colon and country code is used to extract information. So the country code for India is IN and ES for Spain. Let's see this example. Suppose we have to search for digital marketing using site colon and in the country code India. Then type digital marketing. Then type site. Then type colon. Then type dot. Then type IN. And press enter. We can see on your screen these are some of the ad, but this is the natural search query. So you can see in this website, thus in this website, 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 in this website. So using site colon and country code, we can search for any information in that particular country only. So in this video, I have searched for digital marketing in India. Let's see another example. Type tourism, then space, then site colon, then dot, then ES for Spain, and press enter. We can see ES in the first link, ES again, ES again, ES again, ES again, ES again, ES again, ES again. So in this example, I have shown you how to search for any information regarding tourism from the website related to Spain only. Let's see another example. Suppose we want to search for digital marketing course in India using site colon and country code. So type digital marketing course, then type site, then type colon, then type dot, then type IN. Since we are searching for digital marketing course, we will use double quote before and after our search query, and then press enter. This is ad, this is ad, this is ad. Now this is the result. You can see digital marketing course here. You can see digital marketing course. 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 So if you click on any of this link, it will have information regarding digital marketing course. And also all of this link and course belongs to India because we have used country code .in. So when we are sure about any particular search query, then use double quote. Otherwise, don't use double quote.